Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and to stay connected, do hit onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is crispy Rava fingers, also popularly known as spicy fries. So these crispy crunchy fries are extremely delicious and can be made in minutes. So let us now have a look onto the ingredient list and enjoy the recipe. 1 medium size of potato which has been boiled and peeled without salt. Fine quality of Rava suji, roughly around 1.5 cup. 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This is homemade ginger garlic. 3 chilies, roughly chopped. 2 teaspoons of oil. 2 tablespoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Water around 500 ml. Add the boiled potatoes. See that you peel the skin off. To this I'm adding some chili flakes, and then goes the green chilies, black pepper. This is fresh grounded pepper powder, and salt. To this I'm also adding ginger and garlic paste, roughly around 2 tablespoons. Combine and mix them well together and just mash the potatoes very well. Post you mix and combine and bind them together. Roughly you can add in some coriander leaves. This is optional. However, I just completely forgot and apologize for not mentioning this part while showing you the ingredient list. So just you can add this or just skip this part altogether. In a hot pan, I'm just adding 500 ml of water on a medium flame. To this I'm adding oil. When the water comes to the boil, you can add the rava or the suji and keep on mixing them. See that there is no lumps, and the water should be completely evaporated. When the rava is cooked to perfect, that means it starts leaving the pan and it becomes dry. This process would take anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes, and when it's cooked, that means it forms its own shape and you can just switch off the flame. So just be careful. I'm adding the hot suji mixture. The rava mixture directly goes to the potato filling and pre-done filling of the potatoes. What I can do is just give it a good mix and roughly or thoroughly mix it together. Grease your hand with a little bit of oil and then start shaping them. Be experimental, shape them as desire or as per your kids' demand. So my kids wanted this finger shape, so if possible you can also shape them with the help of a cookie cutter and accordingly shape them. Ready to be fried, around 20 to 30 pieces. Carefully drop them into the hot oil, medium to low flame, not too high. See that you do not burn them because rava tends to burn very easily, so be careful. Kindly do not overcrowd them. They tend to stick together very easily and then break into pieces. The finger fries hardly needs around 2 to 3 minutes to be fried. So when it turns crispy and the color changes altogether, you can just remove them out of the hot oil. So this easy crunchy snack is high demanded with our kids, especially with my kids. Hope you all enjoy watching this. Thanks for watching and stay connected to Dimples and Arabian Journey. And don't forget to subscribe us.